Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf. If you're looking for one thing you have to have in the kitchen, it's definitely distilled white vinegar. Now, distilled white vinegar is great to add with salads, with oil, and a little bit of spices and herbs, but did you know it's also the super cleaner of your kitchen? That's right. Vinegar not only eliminates odors like smoke, but it also stops fruit flies from collecting as well. Simply pour some vinegar in a dish and let it sit out on your counter. Vinegar isn't a harsh chemical, but it's great for cleaning. If you want to clean your sinks, use vinegar and a little bit of baking soda. That'll really give the scrub content. You can also use vinegar to help shine your countertops, be them granite or formica or even corian. It's safe to use, and again, it eliminates odors. Another great use for vinegar is to wipe it with your glasses. If they come cloudy out of the dishwasher or they end up having any kind of film, wiping them with vinegar and a simple warm rinse will get them sparkling clean. I'm Andrea Metcalf. Remember, the one thing you can't do without in the kitchen is vinegar.